Hello, Hawks! It's time for another message from your friendly librarian, me, Mrs. Sepulveda. I wanted to show you how you can quickly get in touch with library staff during the school closure or distance learning. So please know that library staff is still available to help you via email, but I'm going to show you another way that you can contact us. So you want to go to your school's website, so whether that be the high school or the middle school. Now you may have these bookmarked up here somewhere already, but just in case you don't, I'll show you how to get there. So you can go to a Google search and just type in Delhi High School or Delhi Middle School. Either one will work for this purpose. And then a message is going to pop up. Don't forget about the free lunch and breakfast that you can grab every school day from 9 to 11:30 at the Ed Park. So this message is going to pop up. You can just click the X to exit out of it. And then you will come up to the word menu and click on that. You will then click on students. Scroll down just a little bit. And then McCandless Library. That is your library, Hawks. Once you get to our website, you can go up to the top and go to Students and click on Request Library Services. Now this will take you to a form. You will select what you need help with. So whether that be your Chromebook's charger, you need some type of textbook or novel for school, maybe you ran out of library books that you would like to read for fun, you can also click on that. Maybe you're having trouble with signing into Aries, your math, Pearson's for English, or just a Google question. Maybe certain websites aren't loading. You can click that too. If one of your options that you're having trouble with or you have a question with is not on here, you can click Other and go ahead and type in what your question is. Once you click Submit, you will receive an email from one of your library staff members. So make sure that you are checking your email. It may take up to 24 hours for a library staff member to email you, so please remember to be patient and keep checking your email. We will be with you as soon as we can. I know that navigating some of this school stuff and just the world right now is kind of hard and confusing, so please make sure that if you have any questions, you fill out that form. And we really miss you, so if you want to just send us an email saying hi, go ahead and do that. Hope to hear from you soon, Hawks. Bye!